What's up? We gotta get it. Turn eye on it. Turn eye on it. Turn on it. Turn on. Because what better time to wear my checkered clout shades other than now? How you doing, darlings? Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Nicole, and today I'm back at it again. I'm back at it again with another video, and today's video is going to be on this package that I just received. This is some new hair that I just got from Yolissa hair.
I'ma call up Brian, I'ma FaceTime Ryan, I'ma text Lorenzo, and I'ma leave you crying. Don't get it twisted, I can play this game too.
I had to get some new Yolissa hair because I wanted to try a different texture this time. And yeah, so we're gonna get into that. I'm sitting in front of the camera, Dad. What's up? What do you need me to do? I told you I was gonna go somewhere. Okay, I'm coming. So basically I ordered their body wave texture, and this is it right here. And I have 224. No, I have I only got 3 bundles this time, I guess. Okay, so I have 3 24 inches and a 20-inch frontal. Usually I get 4 inches. Usually I get 4 bundles because I always say 18 inches and longer, get 4 bundles, and then 18 inches and shorter, get 3. So we'll see how this works out as far as fullness and stuff. Ooh. Ooh, sorry, I'm looking at my screen. Okay, so this hair is not plucked. I'm gonna have to do so much plucking. You guys gotta let me know if y'all want these plucking videos, but this hair is looking really good. Let me say something. On my other Yolissa hair video, of when I had the 613 blonde, when I left it 613, I saw a couple comments on there, people saying that this hair didn't last them. It was bad, it tangled up. You have to take care of your hair. You can't just sleep on it and just expect for it to be good. You have to take care of your hair. Like on my live stream, I curled my hair like this, and I went to sleep on my hair without a bonnet, and it was a hot mess. And I had to curl it and bring it back to life, you guys. And I've had this hair for probably like 4 or 5 months now. So you have to take care of your hair, and especially because this is 613 hair, it's not gonna act like natural black hair that hasn't been processed at all. This hair had to go through a lot of chemical changes to get to this white blonde. So you have to understand that when purchasing 613 hair. I would recommend making a wig with it so that way you can take it on and off. You don't have to have it on all the time, have it rubbing against stuff and just, you know, tangling at the nape of your neck. Make a wig out of it, sew it on your head if you need to, but make sure you can take it off if you need to quick as well. So let me open up my 3 24-inch bundles just to give you guys an initial review of everything so we can know where we're at, so that way when I make my following videos, you guys know where to revert to look at the hair in comparison and stuff like that. Because I'm going to do an install video as well. So these are the 24-inch bundles. They're looking great. I am 5'8", and it's coming down right at my hip when stretched. I love me some long hair, especially since I'm going to be doing color with this. Stay tuned. Comment down below though what color you think I should do. I might just choose your color, but they did a good job. So far so good. The ends are looking great as well. But I mean, this seems pretty full for 3 bundles. I'm not going to lie to you. Usually, like I said, I do 4. This seems pretty good. Not too thick, you know? Alright, you guys, well, thank you for watching this video. It's just a quick video just to know where we're at. And check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Love you. Mwah. Peace.
I just like the sound.